In this video, we will see how to add your home, office or business location on Google Maps. Go to maps.google.com and then zoom into your location and place your cursor exactly on to your location. Click and now you will see this box that's just popped up. Next, click on this string of numbers link below and you will see these options on the left of your screen pointing to the location. Next, click on this menu icon on the left and scroll to the bottom until you see Add a Missing Place. Next, click on the Add a Missing Place option. And next in the pop-up window, fill in the details. Add name of the company or business or building. Select the category it belongs from the list. Next, enter your address here. And next, if you can add your phone number, you can enter it in this pop-up window along with your website address if you have one. Finally, click Send. And next click Done button here. Now we have submitted our location to Google Maps. In a few hours, the location will be successfully added. Here we have the location map. People visit can easily find directions to your home or office without any difficulty. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Please do like and comment on the video. Thank you.